What is happening, YouTube? Welcome to the channel, guys. Hey, if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be going to this meet. It's really random. We just came from Walmart, as you can see, and we're gonna go to a car meet, guys, because we have nothing else to do on a Saturday. It's 7:30, so let's go. But before we move forward, I want to thank you guys for all you guys subscribing. I appreciate it, guys, and let's go. Unfortunately, guys, we couldn't make it to the car meet last night, but some unexpected things came up. But we're just out here taking some photos and videos. So I got this, I'm trying to edit this little film, guys, so I hope you guys like it. So we're photo shooting and video recording while the kids were in the car listening to music.
And died.
And the car died. I forgot to start the car and have it running, guys. So I got my sister over there. She's gonna jump the car for us, guys. So let's do this. All right, we made it. Let's see if it starts. Okay, that's it. Thank you, sister, my pregnant sister, for jumping the car for me. Or coming here. And she was about to take a nap.
Yeah, I would have been stranded.
All right, we got our nice quality cables. Open the hood. First thing you want to do is hook up the positive. Positive first. Guys, this is embarrassing. Just doing a photo shoot and your car dies on you. Hey, I say it's all worth it. Now, hook it up to the positive on this car. Her car's running. So I'm gonna wait a little bit before I start it. I'm gonna show you guys a better setup. Oh. All right, let's see if it starts. Woo! Yes! All right, we are back on track. Car is running. Thanks to my sister. Now let's take these back off. Take off your negatives. Take off the negative. Yep, it's running. All right. Sir, for coming out here and jumping us because we were stranded. Thanks to my wife.
Stuck like Chuck. Just stuck.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the car died. It just wouldn't start. What we did was we called my sister. While she was on our way, we went to Lowe's down over there, and we just had like a good family walk. You know, it was fun. So it turned out pretty nice. Sometimes the tragedy can turn into something good. You know, so. Bye. Thanks for coming. Guys, also another thing. I have an Rv6 JPipe and a Rv6 pre-cat deletes. My exhaust is pretty loud right now, and I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I get, I'm thinking about getting an endless RPM cat back for this model. I don't know, it's really loud. If I put that cat back on, it's gonna be so loud, guys. Super loud. And I go to work like early in the morning, so I'm gonna be waking everybody up. So what do you guys think, man? Yeah. She doesn't like the fumes, it stinks. Well guys, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like it. And see you guys next video. Peace.